If you've gone through or are currently dealing with a hailstorm, you probably know that they can be really, really hard. That's why we created this video series, to help you learn how to handle common challenges and to make every hailstorm your best one yet. So what kind of challenges are we addressing throughout this series? Well, if you feel like you don't have a solid process, whether an end-to-end process or just parts of your process aren't quite right, this series is for you. If you feel like you're wasting time on customers that either cancel or just don't show back up, this video series is also for you. We're going to be addressing things like that. If you feel like you're dealing with overwhelming paperwork and the file management is just really, really tough, we've got some solutions for you. If you feel like you're leaving money on the table with your claims that you're processing, we want to help you there as well. And if you just feel like you've got the general stress and pressure that's getting to you, we want to help you to overcome that. So who am I and why can I talk about these things? Well, my name is Noah Hebert. I'm the founder and CEO of a company called Dent Ops. We've helped hundreds of PDR operations nationwide to navigate successful hail seasons. We've faced all the same challenges that you're experiencing, and we've helped a lot of other shops to overcome these challenges. We've processed hundreds of millions of dollars worth of insurance claims for shops all across the country, and we've developed many, many practical solutions specifically for PDR businesses that are tackling hail damage claims. So what are the types of things you're going to learn throughout this whole video series as we continue to go through? Well, you're going to learn some of the proven systems, processes, and tools for your hail operation that we've helped other hail operations to also implement, whether they're local or mobile hail operations. We're going to help you to capture more customers and cut down on the tire kickers so that you can spend more time working for real paying customers. We're also going to help you to manage paperwork and your files like a rock star so you don't have to feel super stressed out about it. We're going to help you to maximize your claim payouts while streamlining your claims management. And just generally speaking, we're going to help you to simplify your operation and your life, because this can be a really, really stressful period, but it can also be a massive, massive opportunity. And we want to help you to take advantage of that. So without further ado, your next steps, your journey starts now. First, I'd highly recommend you subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's where we're going to be dropping these videos in this series. Just keep up with our storm implementation series, whether it's directly related to the series or just in general hail repair and PDR operations. Second, I'd highly recommend you just take the time to really learn, invest the time to absorb the information in the proven strategies that we're going to be sharing in each module. Some of them will be a little bit longer, some of them will be a little bit shorter, but we've tried to really break these things down into bite-sized pieces that you can take and implement whatever you need to or everything. The third, implementing. Take the time to actually apply the action items that we talk about in your own business. So whether you pause videos and implement in real time, or at the end where we give you action steps to take, you just take the time to actually take those action steps. Please take the time to actually implement these into your business. Otherwise, you're not going to get the benefit of them. And then finally, let your business grow. We're here to support you. We want to help you to transform your operation and maximize your profits. The strategies in this curriculum have helped hundreds of other shops across the country. They will work for you as well. We're here to support you. But go ahead and follow the curriculum, and we'll see you throughout the series.